Still digging through Klaviyo's menus trying to find web chat? In under 2 minutes, you'll have live chat installed and ready for your first visitor. I'll walk you through the exact settings, from your profile to the Finish button, so you can enable web chat without any guesswork. First, click your profile. Then, from the drop-down, go ahead and select Settings. Now, find web chat on the Settings page and click it. Here in Web Chat, click the Add Web Chat button to get started. Next, just click Next to continue along. Finally, hit Finish to complete it, and you're all set. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.